Hey flowers, it's Risa Fleur, and today I'm coming back with another video, and this video is how I got this big, kinky, straight UPart wig. I wanted a UPart wig, just something I could throw on that looked natural, and I wanted it to be like a big kind of like blowout look, so I did straighten like a little bit, but not too much because I wanted it to look wild, and I don't know, I just wanted that look with this hair. I just think it just works better. I do have 4C hair, and I straightened my hair here, so that's cute. Whatever. If you want to see how I achieved this wig, go ahead and continue to watch. This is a quick wig. Excuse the construction. My building is going through construction, so if you hear any drilling, that's what that is. I'm so sorry. But before we continue into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notification, and thumbs up this video. Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know what's up. You already know what's up. What's up? I'll see you guys in my next one, and remember to bloom, because a flower is just a soul blossoming in nature.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started. I've already marked my UPart just as a marker. I'm gonna glue over it, but you're going to see me measuring each weft, and I'm just gonna cut it, and I'm gonna take my glue gun because this is a quick wig. We not sewing this, sis. Anyway, guys, so I kind of effed that up, so I'm gonna do that again. I let it dry a little too much, and I'm just gonna lay that first track down, and I'm going to continue to do that over and over. You just measure it like you see me doing now. Add some glue. This way is better. When you put a little bit of glue, add some more, stick it down. That's just the best way, so it doesn't dry too fast and then you have to pick it apart like I did the first time. So that's what you see me doing, guys. It's pretty simple. Pretty simple, easy. Bam! You could do this at home. Pretty simple. If only I was a rapper or a singer. Okay, so I did most of the wig, and I'm coming back to show you how I'm closing it up. So what I'm doing now is, I don't know if you can see the little mark sticking up there. That's the mark that I made, so I'm just using that to gauge how far up I'm gonna go while I'm doing these smaller tracks. So I'm just cutting off that last piece, and I'm going to turn it all over, turn around the wig, English, and I am just measuring that again. Of course, I want it to be a little bit closer. I find that if the less space that you use when you're doing a UPart wig, the easier it is. And because I want it to have a deep part, that's why it's so far back. Measure, glue, stick, repeat. I don't know why that just made me think of stiletto pumps in the... Okay. This voiceover is becoming something else. Okay. Wait, I'm sorry. Let me get my life. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm basically done closing it up. I think I'm gonna put like two more tracks down. Yeah, I'm just doing that last one on the back. I'm just cutting that off and making sure I get rid of that excess. And now I'm just cutting off the excess cap. You just want to cut along the line. Cut as close to that top weft as you possibly can so that you don't see any cap left over. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put the clips on, do my makeup, get dressed. So I put 4 clips on the wig, 3 around the top, and then 1 just on the bottom, because this is a dome cap. I find it easier when I make a UPart wig because it has the elasticity. It forms around the head better. So just want to make sure that it's laid properly. Please do not sit on your hair. We want to keep our hair. We do not need to be pulling it out. So I'm putting some heat protectant all over the top of the hair and my real hair. Got a little knot. And I'm going to go in with my handy dandy flat iron. And I'm just going to flatten my hair so that it blends in good or well. Proper grammar.
y'all. I promise y'all I'm not high or drunk. This is just my goofy self. Okay, so what I'm doing now is almost kind of like combing the hair with the flat iron, if that makes any sense. I want that big blown out rippled look. That's what I'm going for. I want the big hair look, kind of like a little bit of Diana Ross, Shaka Khan modern-esque moment. That's exactly what I want. So that's what you see me doing now. I'm just making sure that the wig is nice and laid down, sis. It's looking cute, sis. We got to get a few of them pieces in the back, sis. And we almost done, sis. It is what it is, sis. All right. Are we done? Because I'm doing a lot. I am crazy. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this was easy, and I hope you can achieve this UPart wig yourself. Let me know what you think about this video. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in my next one.